All right, let's get your students into your Flipgrid. So what you're going to do is once you have your topic created and you're ready to share it with your students, you're going to go over here to the share button, and you have a few options. You can copy this link and paste it wherever you need to paste it. The students are just going to need this code. Okay, so this is this 3C5A. That is what they are going to need if they're just going to join the old-fashioned way, which I'm going to show you in just a minute. We'll come back to sharing it in Google Classroom, what that's going to look like for a student in Google Classroom. So you're going to copy this code or write this code somewhere, this 3C5A, somewhere where they can see it and they'll be able to type it into Flipgrid. You have the option also to open up the topic and share from here as well. So the student will go to flipgrid.com just like you did. They do not need to sign up for an account. Remember, you put in their domain so that they'll be able to, the domain, Flipgrid is going to recognize their @ student dot whatever, and it's going to recognize that because you put that in the domain, so it's going to automatically put them into their grid. So they'll need to just put in that join code and click the next button. Again, you're going to want your students to join with Google or Microsoft. Most of you are going to have those students join with Google. If they have Google accounts and are using Google Classroom, using all the Google options, you're going to want to have them join with Google. Once they're logged in, they will see the prompt or the topic that you've posted for them. They will see up here the code once more. That's the code they used to join. They'll have the record button here and the record button down here. And then they just have a few options to put it into dark mode or go back to their Flipgrid original account. But let's go real quick here. As a student, what they'll do is they'll just, when they're ready to record, so they'll see their prompt and they'll click record a response. They might need to allow their microphone and camera for the first time. And then they'll see it prompt up and they will be able to go in here and record.